Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're about to embark on a fabulous journey into the world of fashion. Get ready to unlock the secrets of dressing to impress with some amazing outfit ideas and game-changing hacks. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or just want to add that extra oomph to your everyday look, I've got you covered. Trust me, these tips are about to become your new fashion commandments. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fashion-forward friends, and subscribe for a constant stream of style inspiration. Let's get started, honeys! Alright, my darlings, let's talk body image. The first step to owning your style is to understand and embrace your unique body type. Remember, there's no such thing as a perfect body, and every shape is beautiful in its own way. Now, whether you're rocking a pear shape with curves for days, an apple shape with a little extra love up top, an hourglass figure that could launch 1,000 ships, or a rectangular silhouette that's sleek and chic, there are specific styles that'll complement your assets and make you feel like the superstar you are. For instance, my gorgeous pear-shaped divas out there. You can accentuate that tiny waist and those killer shoulders with A-line skirts that flow gracefully over the hips and structured tops that draw the eye upward. My lovely apple shapes, you can create a beautifully balanced silhouette with V-neck tops that elongate the neckline and empire waist dresses that cinch just below the bust, creating a flowy and flattering look. Now, for my hourglass goddesses, you have the power to turn heads in those figure-hugging dresses that accentuate every curve. And don't forget the belts, darling. A well-placed belt can cinch your waist and make you look absolutely snatched. And lastly, my rectangular queens, you can create the illusion of curves with peplum tops that add volume to the hips and flared skirts that add a touch of femininity. Remember, it's all about playing with proportions and finding what makes you feel confident and fabulous. Let's talk wardrobe essentials, those timeless pieces that form the foundation of any stylish individual's closet. Think of these as your fashion superheroes, ready to save the day for any occasion. First up, we have the iconic little black dress, or as I like to call it, the LBD. This versatile wonder can take you from a casual brunch date to a fancy cocktail party with a few simple accessory changes. Trust me, every babe needs an LBD in their life. Next, we have the classic white button-down shirt. This timeless piece is like a blank canvas, just waiting for you to create your fashion masterpiece. Dress it up with a blazer and heels, or keep it casual with jeans and sneakers. The possibilities are endless. And speaking of jeans, no wardrobe is complete without a pair of dark wash jeans. They're flattering on every body type and can be dressed up or down effortlessly. Look for a fit that hugs your curves in all the right places and makes you feel like $1,000,000. Now, let's add a touch of sophistication with a tailored blazer. It's like an instant confidence booster. Throw it over a dress, a blouse, or even a graphic tee to elevate any outfit. And last but not least, no wardrobe is complete without a killer pair of comfortable flats and heels. Because let's be real, we need to prioritize both style and comfort. Opt for flats that are both chic and easy on the feet, and heels that make you feel powerful and ready to conquer the world. Alright, my loves, let's talk about the transformative power of accessories. Think of accessories as the spice of your outfit. They can take a simple look from drab to fab in an instant. First up, let's talk statement jewelry. Don't be afraid to go bold and make a statement. A chunky necklace, a pair of oversized earrings, or a stack of colorful bracelets can instantly elevate a basic outfit and show off your unique personality. Next, we have the ever-versatile scarf. Scarves are like magic, darlings. They can add a pop of color, a touch of texture, or even transform a simple outfit into a chic and polished ensemble. Experiment with different colors, patterns, and fabrics to find what works best for you. Now, let's talk about the power of a good belt. Belts aren't just for holding up your pants, honeys. They can define your waist, add structure to loose-fitting clothes, and create a more flattering silhouette. And finally, we can't forget about handbags. Your handbag is like your trusty sidekick, accompanying you on all your daily adventures. Choose a bag that complements your outfit and is appropriate for the occasion. A sleek clutch for a night out, a roomy tote for everyday errands, or a crossbody bag for hands-free convenience. Now let's dive into the wonderful world of color. Understanding color theory can seem intimidating, but trust me, it's like unlocking a secret code to creating visually stunning outfits. Let's start with the basics. Monochromatic outfits involve sticking to one color in different shades. It's a simple yet incredibly chic way to look effortlessly put together. Think a black turtleneck, charcoal gray trousers, and a black coat, timeless and sophisticated. Next up, we have complementary colors. These are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, like blue and orange or red and green. When paired together, they create a vibrant and eye-catching contrast. Think a cobalt blue dress with a pair of fiery orange heels, bold and beautiful. Now let's talk about analogous colors. These are colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel, like blue and green or yellow and orange. When combined, they create a harmonious and pleasing effect. Think a forest green top with a pair of mustard yellow pants, effortlessly stylish and chic. Experiment with different color combinations and find what works best for your skin tone and personal style. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so have fun with it. Layering is an art form, my friends, and it's a fantastic way to add depth, dimension, and visual interest to your outfits. Plus, it's perfect for those transitional seasons when the weather can't make up its mind. Let's start with some casual layering ideas. A classic denim jacket is a must-have for any casual wardrobe. Throw it over a simple t-shirt, a flowy dress, or even a cozy sweater for an effortlessly cool vibe. Add a scarf for extra warmth and style points. For a more formal layered look, reach for a tailored blazer. Layer it over a blouse, a turtleneck, or even a thin sweater for a sophisticated and polished look. Complete the outfit with tailored trousers or a pencil skirt. And let's not forget about seasonal layering. When the weather turns chilly, don't shy away from cozy cardigans, stylish vests, and statement coats. They're not only practical, but also add a stylish layer to any outfit. We've all been there. Those moments when a fashion emergency strikes and we need a quick fix. But fear not, my friends. I've got your back with some tried and true outfit hacks to save the day. First up, double-sided tape is a lifesaver. Keep a roll in your purse for those moments when you need to keep your clothes in place. Whether it's a gaping neckline, a slipping strap, or a hem that won't stay put, double-sided tape is your new best friend. Next, let's talk about shoe inserts. High heels can be a girl's best friend, but they can also be a pain, literally. Invest in some comfortable gel inserts to make those killer heels bearable for hours on end. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Now let's talk about the art of rolling your sleeves. A simple sleeve roll can instantly transform a look from stuffy to effortlessly chic. Master the art of a neat and stylish sleeve roll to add a touch of casual cool to any outfit. And finally, let's talk about tucking techniques. The way you tuck in your shirt can make a world of difference. Master the half tuck, the full tuck, and the French tuck to change the vibe of your outfit and flatter your figure. Listen up, my darlings. One of the golden rules of fashion is to always dress appropriately for the occasion. It shows respect for the event and ensures you feel confident and comfortable. Let's start with workwear. For most professional settings, it's best to opt for tailored pieces in neutral colors. Think blazers, blouses, trousers, and pencil skirts. Keep the jewelry minimal and the makeup polished. Now, let's talk about casual outings. Whether you're grabbing coffee with friends, running errands, or enjoying a weekend brunch, comfort is key. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. Opt for comfortable yet chic pieces like jeans, a cute top, and a stylish jacket. And finally, let's talk about formal events. This is your chance to bring out the big guns. Choose an elegant dress or a sophisticated suit that makes you feel like $1,000,000. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors, statement jewelry, and sky-high heels. Now, my loves, we've reached the most important chapter of all. Confidence. Remember, no matter what you wear, confidence is your best accessory. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Stand tall, smile, and own your look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, colors, and trends. Fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun, so don't take it too seriously. Embrace your unique style and let it shine. The most stylish people are those who are comfortable in their own skin and aren't afraid to take risks. Remember, fashion is a journey, not a destination. There are no hard and fast rules, just guidelines to help you find what works best for you. So go forth, experiment, and have fun with it. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. We all have days when we don't feel our best, but that's okay. Just remember that you are beautiful, you are worthy, and you deserve to feel confident and fabulous every single day. Well, my loves, that's a wrap on today's fashion extravaganza. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to elevate your style game. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your fashion-forward friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more style advice, outfit inspiration, and fabulous fashion adventures. Now go out there and rock your unique style with confidence. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Stay stylish, my friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications on my latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.